first graders, welcome to our Wednesday of math groups. Okay, so today we are going to work on that double digit subtraction. Okay, and my first number is 23 and I'm going to take away 6. So do I need to make both of these numbers or just one number? I just need to make my bigger number because I'm not adding on today, I'm taking some away. Okay, so to make my number 23, remember I'm going to look at that first digit. That's going to tell me how many tens. And this digit is going to tell me how many ones. So I'm going to grab 2 tens and 3 ones. Okay, so I made my number 23. I've got 2 tens and 3 ones. And I'm going to take away 6. But remember 6 is on this side, so I'm not taking away 6 tens. I'm just taking away the number 6. But looking right here, I only have 3 ones. So I have a problem. I can't take 6 away. So what am I going to do? Well, last time when we were adding and we had that problem when we had too many tens, we took 10 away and traded it in for a stick. Now my problem's the opposite. Now I don't have enough ones, so I'm going to take away one of my 10 sticks and turn it into my 10 ones. So I'll have enough ones to take away. So I'm going to take a 10 stick off, and now I'm going to trade my 10 in for how many ones? 10 ones. Okay, so I'm going to grab myself 10 ones now that I took that off. Okay, so I took my 10 stick off and now I'm going to trade it in for 10 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to add on 2 more little pieces of tape real quick. 9 and 10. Okay, now that I took one of those 10 sticks off and traded in for 10 ones, I have enough ones now that I can take 6 away. Okay, so I still have 23 here. I still have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. I still have the number 23. But now after trading in that 10, I have enough ones that I can now take 6 away. So I'm going to go ahead and take 6 ones away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, now I have this many ones left and that many tens left. Watch how I'm going to show what I just did, okay? So I don't have, after taking that 10 off, I don't have 2 tens anymore. I only have 1 10. So I'm going to put a little cross through my 2 and I'm going to change it to a 1, okay? Because now I only have 1 10 left. And I took that 10 and I brought it over here now. Okay, so now I had 13 ones. I took 6 away. And how many ones do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 ones left. And how many tens do I have left? Just that 1 10. So 23 minus 6 equals 17. Okay, let's try another problem like that. Okay, my next problem is 22 minus 16. Which number am I going to make? Because when I'm doing takeaway, I'm just making one number. I'm going to make my bigger number. I'm going to make 22. So in 22, I have 2 tens. And how many ones do I have in 22? 2 ones. Okay, now I am going to take away 16. I'm going to start with my ones first. Remember, I'm not going to start with my tens. I'm going to start with my ones. So right now, I only have 2 ones from the number 22, and I need to take away 6 ones. Can I do that right now? I have a problem. I don't have enough ones that I can take some away. So what am I going to do? I'm going to take my 10 away, and I'm going to take one of these 10s, and now I'm going to trade it in for how many ones? 10 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now let's show on my problem what I just did. I'm going to cross out, I had 2 tens, but then I had to take one away and trade it in for ones. So I'm going to put a little slash through that 2 because I don't have 2 tens anymore. I only have 1 10. Okay? And I took that 1 10 and I traded it in for a 10, and now I have 12 little ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to bring that 10 over to the ones side. Okay, now I have 12 ones right here. Can I take away 6 from that? Yes, I solved my problem. I can take away 6. Okay, so I'm going to take away 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many ones do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 ones left. So I'm going to put my 6 onto the one side. Now I need to hop over to my tens because I have one 10 here, and it says I have to take away a 10. So I've got to take away that 10. And now how many tens do I have left? 0. But I don't have to put a 0 at the beginning because when I put a 0 at the beginning of a number, it doesn't really count. It doesn't matter. So my answer is just 6. 22 take away 16 equals 6. Okay, let's try another problem. Okay, this time we are going to do 30 take away 12. Which number am I going to make? Just going to make my big number 30 because I'm taking away 12. I'm not adding on 12. So I need 3 tens to make my number 30. And how many ones do I need? 0. So I don't need any ones to make my number 30. And I'm going to take away 12. Okay, am I going to start with the ones or the tens? I'm going to start with the ones first. So I have 0 ones, but I need to take away 2 ones. Do I have any ones to take away? So how can I fix my problem? I'm going to take away that 10 and turn it into how many ones? 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, let's look at what that looks like on my problem. I'm going to cross out my 3 because now I only have 2 tens left. And I'm going to bring that 10 over to here because now I have 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 ones. And now can I take away my 2 ones? Yes. So I'm going to take away my 2 ones. And how many ones do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones left. Okay, now let's hop on over to our tens. I only have 2 tens left because I took that one away so I could trade it in for my ones. So I've got my 2 tens, and I need to take away 1 10. So I've got 2 tens, take away 1 10, leaves 1 10 left. So 30 minus 12 equals 18. All right, let's try one last problem, and then you guys can work on your worksheet. This time we're going to try 17 take away 9. What number am I going to make using my tens and ones? Just my biggest number, so I'm going to make 17. So I need 1 10 and 7 ones. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And I need to take away 9. Can I take away, oh, I'm starting with my ones, remember, I'm not starting with my tens. So I had 7 ones, and I need to take away 9 ones. Can I take away 9 if I only have 7 here? So how am I going to fix my problem? I'm going to take away my 10 and trade it in for 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so now I'm going to show that on my board. I'm crossing out this 10 right here, because I took that 10 away. So now I have 0 tens left, and I'm bringing that 10 now over to my one side. So now I have 17 ones hanging out here, and I'm going to take away 9 of them. Okay, so let's take away 9 little ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so I had 17 ones. I took away 9 ones. How many ones are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then I have 0 tens, and I'm not taking away any tens. So how many tens do I have? 0. Do I need to put a 0 here? I don't need to put the 0 before because my answer is just 8. I have 17. Take away 9 equals 8. All right. Okay, you guys have a two-sided sheet to do. Okay, if you need tens and ones, remember, go into room 2, and on your green board, you have your tens and your ones that you can use to help you figure this out. Okay, so try these problems on the front, and then you are going to flip to the back, and you have to set up your problems in here. Remember, tens and ones. Okay, so I have 9 right here. It's 24 take away 9, so 24. And if I'm taking away 9 little ones, the 9 has to go on the 1 side. Don't put 9 over on your 10 side. Okay, when you're done with both sides of this, you can go ahead and choose something to work on in room 2 off of the bookshelf.